Digital marketing explanation. What is digital marketing? Digital marketing is the practice of promoting products or services through digital channels such as search engines, social media platforms, email, websites, mobile apps, and other digital channels. Digital marketing encompasses a wide range of activities, including search engine optimization, SEO, pay-per-click advertising, PPC, social media marketing, email marketing, content marketing, affiliate marketing, mobile marketing, and other forms of online advertising. The goal of digital marketing is to reach a targeted audience, engage with them, and convert them into customers. Digital marketing is often more cost-effective than traditional marketing methods, and allows businesses to track and measure their marketing efforts in real time, allowing them to adjust their strategies based on data-driven insights.